remove the battery from the mower. Adjust the seat to the front position. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 4 cover plate screws behind the seat, then remove it. Unplug the 2 wire harness connectors as shown. Push down on the diagnostic port to release it from its fixed position. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 3 screws on the inside of the LCD control panel. Push the panel inward towards the seat and lift it out of the right cover. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 9 screws to separate the control panel from the control box base. Use a T10 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the USB electric assembly. Disconnect the white terminals from the switch electrical assembly. Then the USB electric assembly can be removed. Put the new USB electric assembly in place. Use a T10 bit to tighten the 2 screws on the USB electric assembly. Connect the white terminals to the switch electric assembly, then assemble it in the pocket inside the storage box. Assemble the control panel and control box base together, then use a T20 bit to tighten 9 screws. The recommended torque is 0.7 to 0.8 Newton meters or 6 to 7 inch-pounds. Insert the control panel box assembly in the right cover opening, then slide it away from the seat. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 3 screws on the inside of the LCD control panel. Plug 2 wire harness connectors. Pull the diagnostic connector from under to fix it in its position. Place the cover plate in the correct position behind the seat, then use a T20 bit to tighten the 4 screws to secure it. The recommended torque is 0.5 to 0.6 Newton meters or 4 to 5 inch-pounds.